Hi, I'm Chef James Arens. I'm one of the instructors here at San Diego College of Continuing Education. I'm actually going to be teaching, one of the instructors actually going to be teaching baking and pastry essentials. So what you're going to be doing in baking and pastry essentials, if you just want to kind of wade in the shallow end when it comes to baking and pastry, this is the class for you. You're going to be learning about cakes and cookies, quick breads, making tarts, pies, understanding ice cream, understanding why certain baking and mixing methods are really important, why you need to follow the instructions, why baking is a science. You're going to understand a lot more of these things if you take this class. It's a lot of fun. We make a lot of, clearly sweet stuff. We also make a lot of really good savory stuff. So if you really want to, like I said, get into the shallow end when it comes to baking and pastry, this is going to be the class for you. And I'm going to introduce you a little bit to the baking and artisanal breads class that we're going to be teaching here at San Diego College of Continuing Education. You're going to learn a lot about breads, whether it's quick breads, oddly enough crepes, pâte de choux, or little cream puffs. You're also going to be learning, if you've got one of those sourdough starters or you've seen it all over the internet, you're going to learn a lot about yeast breads as well and making artisanal breads, really good sourdoughs and breads like that. If you ever go to like one of those really nice bakeries, you're gonna really learn how to make those types of loaves. So if that's something that you've been interested in, you want to start baking your bread at home, you want to start understanding what is in your food a lot more, this class is definitely going to be one that is going to help you understand more about breads in general.